Hi everybody, this is Ekta here, and in this video I am going to try, review and talk about a very interesting makeup product, which is actually 3 makeup products boxed into a very beautiful palette. Yes, you got me right, you read the title also. I am going to review, try and talk about this very beautiful Chisel It palette from My Glam. This is essentially 3 makeup products. This is your bronzer, your blusher and highlighter boxed into one with a very beautiful mirror. So without much further ado, let's get started. I really hope that you like this video and find it useful. This video we are going to try this out in front of the camera. I am shooting in all natural light, and we will also talk about the real use experience. I'll show you how it looks on my skin, how whether you should go for it or not, and also can I use this product on my eyelids also as an eyeshadow. Let's try that out. The reason why I picked this product is because it is a cruelty free product, and second thing is that it's makeup in a palette form. I love different products boxed into one rather than a single individual unit, simply for the ease of usage, the convenience of carrying, recalling and stacking and using them again and again. Now let's see whether the decision was good enough or not. So let's get started. So well, this is how the product looks like. This comes inside this beautiful white and gold kind of packaging. There's a nice foam kind of support here just to ensure that your product reaches you safe and intact. And this is how this palette looks like. The design is very sleek, very beautiful, very trendy. I had done a very basic face makeup. Like I have just applied some cream and some foundation on my face. There is no primer also, and a lot of sweating, but nevertheless. So let's start with this beautiful bronzing powder. This is a bronzing powder, not a contouring powder. I took a wrong brush, but you know what, I think this kind of brush should be very handy while doing bronzing or contouring, because it's like you can straight away put it over here and that would give you a perfect jawline, cheek definition, whatever you call it. So I really appreciate if there's any kind, such kind of brushes. I know there are fan brushes, but I'll pick some product and I will place them here. Okay. Wait, what we can do is we will do this chiseling up effect on this side of the face. This side of face, let it be the way it is, so then we can gauge out what's the difference, right? So let's just do a little bit of bronzing here, and now we'll just blend it. It's easy to blend. You can use your hands also. In case if you don't have the brush handy, I'll take a little more and this side of my face, so a nice chiseling effect over here. Yeah. Now let's take this beautiful blush, this beautiful pink salmon blush, cheekbones. Oh, it gives a very nice flush of pink. Can you see some difference between this side of the face and this side of the face? You will see. So now we'll take this beautiful fan brush and we'll dip this into this highlighter one. Very nice shimmery highlighter. Oh my god, look at this beautiful sheen. I'm not kidding, you can see it for yourself. So this is looking real good, really well blended. It does not look patchy. It looks almost like a very blended kind of a makeup that is there but not too flashy. And the way this highlighter is complementing this blush is really good, because guys, sometimes what happen, you might have a very good blush, you might have a very good bronzer, and you might have a very good highlighter. You have all these 3 individual products, the best of all these 3 individual products, but sometimes the symmetry is such, the color symmetry is such that in spite of them being individual in their own, beautiful in their own, when you apply 3 of them together, they don't blend in a symmetry. What I liked about this palette here is that all these 3 colors over here, they are blending in beautiful symmetry and they're kind of complementing each other. I need some water. So as you can see, I have done this 3-step at this side of my face. I have used a very limited quantity of each product because I don't do very blinding kind of makeup. I prefer doing very light, subtle kind of a makeup. So if you can make it out, see there's a very nice light falling on the highlighter. It's looking very nice, sheen, bright. Besides, there's a blusher. You have applied the blusher without making it too obvious that there's a blush on your face. It has blended so nicely, seamlessly, and there's a bronzer over here which again is complementing this too very beautifully. You can do a little bit of heavy makeup with a heavy base and you would get the result I think that you're expecting, but in this video I'm doing it in all natural light because a lot of us prefer natural makeup, almost a no makeup kind of a look. So vis-a-vis this side of my face, I have not applied any of this product, so there's a little difference. You can see difference. Try it is there. So I'll take this bronzing powder over here and place it on my eyelids. It is a very nice transition color, quite good. Now I'm going to take this beautiful pink salmon, other side of the blush, and blush on blush, and just go from outer corner to inner corner. It is buildable. Now this highlighter looks nice, works effortlessly as well. I'll take this blending brush and kind of blend them all. So I hope you can see a basic difference. I'm not putting any eyeliner or any additional lipstick to make you feel confused. What I'm going to do is right now I'm going to do a little bit of quick makeup on this side of face as well, so you don't feel very funny while talking. So while I'm back, I've completed this other side of my face also using the products from the same palette. I have done a little bit of highlighting using it applied on my brow bone. This product has written all the ingredients not on this outer covering but on this box as well, because we all throw this box once we purchase, right? We use this one, so that's a very thoughtful of them. So overall, I kind of like this palette. You would have known that by now, and I've told the reason why. It's cruelty free, the formulation is very good, it's value for money. 3 products boxed into one. It's easy to carry. It has all the ingredients, details, everything listed on the box itself. It keeps you informed, which is very important actually talking. Another thing that I liked about this is the subtle effect it helps in creating. It is not creating a very blinding kind of highlighting effect. The highlighting is very subtle, yet it is there, a little bit of light falling on my face, and there's a very nice sheen over here. The salmon pink is quite natural. If you are someone with a lighter skin, I'm sure you will like this even more. The other one I have not tried, so you can check it out basis your preference, makeup preference, and your skin type, skin color, etc. So if you are someone who likes the flushed peachy kind of a look, then this is the palette for you. Go for it, try it out, and let me know your feedback on the same. I'll so much look forward to hear from you, and like I said, I really hope that you find this video useful, helpful, and informative. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I create a lot of content on Instagram than on YouTube. I'm not able to be so regular, I know, but I will try to be. If you give a lot of love to this video, give good love, good likes and subscription and comments. So I really hope forward to creating more content for you. And till next time, take care. Ciao.